What's up, everybody? Stock market predictions and stock investing. I made over 3,600 over 3 days, October 1st to October 3rd, 3 trading days. So it's more than 1,200 a day. So it's pretty good. And October just started. So hey, you know what? If you travel around the world, if you make this much money, you know what? You can only trade 3 days a month and 1 to 3 hours a day, then travel around the world. So today we're going to talk about what happened in the stock market last week, and there are 9 company stocks that can be reported earnings this week, and which one am I interested in? That's what we are going to talk about today. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. S&P 500 the past 5 days is up 0.81%. It's not bad. Positive, right? So the 1 month September, right? Most people thought September was gonna be a negative month, but I said on my channel, because of the Federal Reserve started lower rate, it's gonna be positive. Yeah, it could be positive month this year. So this is like a very good year, and economy is doing all right. Okay, it's not a recession, so that's why September got a positive month, 3.61% the past month. Year to date, 14.4% is better than investing in real estate. If you get 7% to 10% within 1 year in real estate, you are considered very good. But in stock markets, it can be more. Only 9 months, 14.44% return year to date. Nasdaq the past 5 days is up 0.78%. Year to date 18.15% is better than S&P 500. Of course, once something goes wrong, stock market goes down. Nasdaq usually goes down more than S&P 500. The past 5 years almost double the investment. So the same way S&P 500 93.14%. Let's remember this number, okay? 92.14%. When we look at the 9 companies that we're gonna do in a few minutes, then we're gonna see if these companies beat S&P 500. I'm only interested in companies that beat S&P 500. So that means this company could be better than investing in index fund, right? Index ETF. So I only invest in stock. I don't really invest in S&P 500 or QQQ, but although I do trade QQQ and stuff like that, but I rather choose stocks that outperform S&P 500. Dow Jones the past 5 days 0.98% up, year to date 10.3%, and 5 years 63.57%. And what happened last week? Last week it was quiet week, except for government shutdown. Federal Reserve governor they talk, but it did not impact the stock market so much. Even government shutdown, it did not impact the stock market. Usually government shutdown have little or no impact on the stock market. So I don't waste time worry about it. Of course, if I were the employee, I would a little bit worried, but don't worry, once they open up again, they're gonna give you federal employees payback. So take it as a holidays, okay? You take a break for, it could be 1 week, it could be 2 weeks. Just enjoy your life. You get paid anyway when you come back. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, ADP employment. Oh, negative. See, it was expected to be 45,000 new jobs that are negative. Yeah. 52 manufacturing PMI, 52 in line with the expectation. ISM manufacturing a little bit better than expectation. Thursday, jobless claims delayed because of government shutdown. Factory orders delayed because of government shutdown. New York Fed president they thought, the reports were delayed because of the shutdown. And government stopped working now. Okay, then after that they need to do some catch up once they reopen again. PMI 54.2, better than expected. So let's see what happened. the past week stopped. See, it dropped. Cruise demand was there, but then stock dropped. It's alright. It's not a company that I like to invest in. I love going on the cruise, but I don't like to invest in cruise companies because once something like COVID happens, they need to stay paid their fixed costs. They could lose their business, right? I don't like high cost business. Jeffrey down 7.51% the past 5 days. Hey, but if it goes down more than that, maybe if it goes back to maybe say $50, I may be interested in Jeffrey. Okay, $50 would be good, really nice. Yeah. Nike is up the past 5 days. The turnaround is on the way. That is kind of pretty slow. I don't own Nike. Let's see this week what's gonna happen. Economics news. Trade deficit gonna come out on Tuesday. Several Fed presidents gonna be speaking. Consumer credit data is gonna come out Wednesday. This is very important. Minutes of Fed's results September FOMC meeting. Let's see what they said. Right. So Wednesday the stock market could be a little bit volatile because of the FOMC minutes. Thursday, Jerome Powell is gonna speak opening remarks. Yeah, so it could impact the stock market a little bit. I think Wednesday and Thursday are probably 2 of the 5 days in the next trading week, this coming weeks, that could have the stock market volatile. The other days in I think consumer sentiment not so much, so I think it could be quiet. Except if government shutdown seem to be impacting the U.S. credit rating, maybe that could be bad. But I don't see that happening pretty soon. Okay, let's see how bad it could get. Let's look at 9 stock. Stock number 9, Constellation Brand. It's a beer maker. Usually alcohol beer, they sell pretty well during recession. When people get laid off, they are sad, they need some consolation, so they drink some Constellation brands, right? Beer, alcohol. So without recession, I don't think if people taste change, if people don't drink anymore, this could be bad. But then 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500. So I'm not interested to buy. Okay. AEHR year to date up 87.40%. 5 year, it beat S&P 500. But would I invest in this company? No, this company is so fragile so much. It indicates that their revenue and their net income, their cash flow are not stable. Look at this. Look at this. See, even though they have been around for some time, since 1997, hey, their market cap is only less than 1 billion. So I don't think this is a great company. So criteria number 1, even though it passed my criteria number 1, beat the S&P 500. Number 2, it also passed my criteria. It has been around for at least 10 years. Number 3, it has been a public company for at least 5 years. Yes, it passed 3 of my criteria. Number 4, do I like this business? No, I don't like this business. Okay. Number 5, I'm sure if I look at financial statements, balance sheet, cash flow, I don't think it's stable. So I'm not going to invest in this company. So criteria number 4 and number 5 are the deal breaker. So no, not. But for trading, hey, this is going up Trump. Yeah, I could do some trading. Look at it. The past 6 months, 329%. 1 month, 21.26%. 5 days, not so much. So yeah, we could think about trading. Are you interested in trading AEHR? Comment down below. Next one, MKC. So this company is a food company. They sell spices, seasoning mixes, condiments, and other flavor products. Year to date now down. They pay dividend 2.61. I rarely look at dividend. I don't really care so much of dividend. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500. So no, I'm not going to buy this company. If you are a housewife or if you are a chef, probably you are familiar with this company. Next time you go shopping for spices, condiments, look at the brand name. Is it McCormick? Yeah, you will see plenty of McCormick spices on the shelf. Store number 6, AZZ. Year to date up 30.72%. 5-year, it beat S&P 500. See, it beat S&P 500. So it passed my first criteria. Second criteria, has it been around for at least 10 years? Since 1956, yes. Third criteria, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes, yes. Fourth criteria, do I like this business? This is industrial. They cold matter. They pre-cold matter industrial company. Usually, I do not really like industrial company. It's just my preference. Criteria number 5, if you look at their financial statement, balance sheet, if their revenue is going up, net income is going up, if you like their financial statement, cash flow statement, hey, you know what, you can think about buying this company. Of course, this is not a financial advice to buy or sell or hold any companies in this video. So I'm just sharing education. AZZ. Next one, stock number 5. So that me, Richardson Electronics. Year to date down negative 5 years. Although it beat S&P 500, look at the maximum. You see, it barely in negative. If you bought it at their IPO, then you are stay negative. Like going up and down, up and down. I think electronics is very subject to commodity. It's like commodity. So if the economy is good, people buy more electronics, you know what, your business could be good. If people don't want to buy, if anything changes, their prices goes down or your cost goes up, then you don't see that. So it's only 138 million company, even though it has been around for a long time. This company is not growing, so that's why it's only 138 million. So not gonna buy that. BSET financial 11.40% year to date. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500 at all. It's the same. 5 years ago, 15.6 on 2019, 2020. Now it's 15.6. So if you bought it at 5 years, of course, if you sold it 1 year later, maybe 6 months later, your profit could be a lot. But that if you kept holding, you're still the same. It pays dividend 5.13%. Don't look at dividend. Okay, dividend is a very small portion of the return. So I'm not going to buy this company because it's a furniture company. It's like commodity business. Stock number 3, Pepsi, year to date negative 5.48%. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500, so I'm not going to buy. It pays 4.01 dividend. I think in recession, this company could perform really good, really well. But now it's not a recession, right? If just before recession occurs, if I or anybody buys it, maybe it could perform pretty well, but not now. Data, airline, year to date negative. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500. I don't like airlines, so it's out of the question. It doesn't beat S&P 500. We don't need to look at it. It pays dividend a little bit. You see, going up and down, up and down. No, it's not stable. So I'm not going to buy this one. Next one, stock number 1, TLRY. Year to date 10.96% up. 5 year, people lost money in TLRY, right? So I don't need to buy at all, invest in this company at all. It's a cannabis related company. But something's happened. Something's very strange happening. The past 6 months, it's up 179.21%. The past 1 month, 36.12%. Oh, the past 5 days, 20%. You know what's happened? I think there is a chance that President Trump could legalize marijuana, cannabis for Medicare purposes, and so that's why this has been going up like crazy. See, hey, you know what? In that case, I could do some trading, right? We could do some trading. So, but I'm not going to buy or invest in this company. I will just do trading, maybe use the option. That would be one of the option that we could do. Or I could just buy stock and sell it later, swing trading. But I prefer option trading for trading because one option represents 100 shares. If I could just buy a few call options or a few put option, whatever, it's multiplied. I have a leverage, multiply the return rather than just buying a stock. Okay, if you want to learn more Go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. You can check out my playlist to learn about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and day trading movement and stock. If you want to reach out to me, the link gonna be in the YouTube description comment down below. Share, subscribe.